had cat scratches on this leather couch. I'm going to show you guys how to make them pretty much disappear and without really having to do a whole lot. Start by carefully cinching the fibers that are raised. Make sure this is only being done on real, genuine leather.
Your vinyl will melt.
Yes, anything else will catch on fire or melt.
And if you don't want to use a torch or one of those campfire lighters that
or
have
just a regular lighter.
yeah, that have an extension, those work great.
This is just like what we started using after burning ourselves about.
We do this a lot. So.
It's just so much. You can't really even see the torch. It's so bright out here, but it's on the lowest setting.
It does. It already makes such a huge difference.
So after that, you'll be left with some kind of like rough, dried fibers. So you can just use some very fine grit sandpaper, just a little bit to sand those fibers away. So then, once you have most of that sanded away, do another round of the torch. Get any remaining pieces that are sticking up or that came up when you were sanding. Sand away again any rough fibers that were burned so you have a smooth finish. This is the only conditioner we use typically. This is Black Rock. It's the best stuff that we've ever been able to find for leather. Small amount and just work it into the leather.